Quotes by Earl Nightingale. Each of us creates his or her own life, largely by our attitude. It's a simple idea, but it's one that has the power to change your life if you let it. Your attitude is the lens through which you see the world. It determines how you interpret what happens to you and how you react to it. If you have a positive attitude, you're more likely to see the good in people and situations and to respond to them in a constructive way. This can lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe good things will happen, they're more likely to do so.